Hello friends, in this video I'm going to explain how the printf function interacts with or deals with main memory and what value returned by the printf function. So let's see how it is working. Here you can see I have written the printf statement. Within the printf statement there is hello world. I've written hello world inside the printf statement. Okay, so actually what is the mechanism how printf statement is working? So when something is written inside the printf statement, this is first stored in the main memory, that is in random access memory. Main memory, it is stored in main memory like this. Hello, HELLO, next space, next WORLD, then null. Okay, when it is stored in the main memory, there must be some address. So suppose 1000 address is assigned to H, or H is placed in the address of 1000, E 1001, L 1002, just like this. Second, what happens? The first address is passed to this printf function. This printf function, the first address is passed, just like this. When the first address is passed, what happens? This is not the actual printf function. So this function calls the printf function that is kept, that is inside the dynamic link library. This is dynamic link library. Dynamic link library. So this, the printf function inside the dynamic link library is actually the machine code, printf statement written in machine code. When the 1000 is passed from this printf function to this printf function, this will print or display and or fetch the characters from this address 1000. From 1000 the characters are fetched, that is H, then 1001 E. Sequentially it fetches the characters, and till it reaches the null character. So the characters will be HELLO, then space WORLD, that is hello world. When the program will execute, the program will run, the output screen will display hello world like this. So this is the concept behind the screen, because actually what we are writing inside the printf statement, that is displayed in the output screen. But what is the actual mechanism? Actually, the compiler does all these things. The compiler in the backend does all these things, and in this way it displays the value or the string or whatever statement written inside the printf statement or printf function in the display screen or in console window. Okay, so let's move and write a program. One thing I will tell you. So here, suppose I am declaring a variable like this. Suppose I have declared a variable int x semicolon, and I'm writing x is equal to this. What value will be returned from the printf function to x? What value will be returned from the printf function to x? So the value will be returned the number of characters, that is here HELLO, that is 5 characters, then a space considered as 1 character, then WORLD, that is 5 characters. That means 11 characters. So the value of x will be 11. Okay, the value of x will be 11. How it is counted? So from the main memory, count, this is first one, second one, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th. So 11 will be written from the printf function and will be assigned to X. Okay. So let's run a program and see whether it is 11 or something else. This is my dev C++ editor. So from the file menu, I'm opening new in source file. Then I'm writing the program as include stdio.h. Has includes transfer preprocessor directive, and stdio.h is your standard input-output header file. By using standard input-output header file, I can use the library functions inside it. What are the library functions? Various library functions are there, but basically printf function and scanf functions are used widely. So for using printf and scanf functions, I have included standard input-output header file. Okay, so now void main opening curly bracket. Next, I'm writing int x semicolon. Okay, so let me write here, for example, I'm writing int main. Okay, so next x is equal to printf. Within the double quotation, I'm writing HELLO1 WRLD, then semicolon. Next, now in the the printf statement, I'm writing /n x is equal to %d, then comma x. Okay, then semicolon. So let's compile the program first. Yes, I'm compiling the program. It will ask me to save. So I'm setting the name of, suppose display display1, and the source file will be C source files with .c extension. Okay, set. My program is saved, and the compilation results are errors are 0 and warnings are 0. That means my program is correct. Let's execute the program. Yes, you can see my console window. Here, hello world is printed, and in the next statement, x equal to 11. X equal to 11. I have told that the number of characters inside the printf statement within double quotation mark. Here, hello world. So hello world, that is 11. There is 11 number of characters, including the space. So x is 11. Okay, getting my point? So if you like this video, thanks for watching this video. If you like, then subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.